And we gather through the center and make a triangle. Carry the triangle down to the earth. Release your thoughts. Connect with your body. And roll back up. Bring the hands round to the back. Open the arms. Bring them in front of you. And then bring them into the heart and scan down. Smiling to your body. And round to the back. And open again. Again, down. Through your body. Round. Inhale to the kidneys. You can tap on them gently. Release any roles and responsibilities and embrace your natural self.